get ready to church today. All right, so this is the dress I'm going to be putting on, and this is my, how do you call it? Hi God, I've forgotten the name. Sorry. So this is the jacket I'm going to be putting on this. It's actually so beautiful. So happy Sunday to you. I believe and I hope you're already in church. Yes, so let's dress up together. Oh, my powder. Let me make use of my powder. Okay. Yeah. You know I don't waste time while doing this. I don't waste time. Okay. Yeah. I'm using my loose powder. I really don't use wet powder. Okay, I just move ahead to use my loose powder and I'm good. Okay, I'm good. I use classic. This is classic and this is light color. I just love light color and it fits me. Yes, it does. My face definer. All right, for you to know that I'm so simple about this makeup thing. Okay. All right, so it's a simple touch on my face. Yeah, we're already there. We are almost there. Remember, I'm actually using these three colors. I started with this, next with this, and I finish up with this. Okay. This brings out the glowness. Make it glow. Okay. So, I'm good. Okay. I'm good. So, I'm going to be using my eye pencil. I use brown eye pencil, brown color. Don't laugh at me. That's how a pink chomic. I'm going to replace it. Okay, so I'll do the drawing. Okay. Yes, I'm good. Okay, so I'm going to be working on my lips. Okay, so I'm going to be using this color, peach color, and I like combining it with my maroon color. So I'm going to be putting this on first. Let me stand this way so you can see better. Trying to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to combine. Okay. How do we look? So as I'm here, I'm good. I'm putting on my gold here. A lot of people have said, go and make your hair. Go and make your hair. Ha. You see the way I'm flaunting this natural hair? It's just fitting me because I'm avoiding too much stress of going to the salon, sitting down for hours to make hair. I have wigs here, you know it. You see my wig on. But man, I think I just want to be free. I just want to be free throughout the month of August. I'll be thinking about making my hair by the end of August. Yes. So I'll just know that throughout August, this girl has been on her natural hair. So I just do finger comb. I use my hands to comb it, finger combing, and I'm good. So how do I look? All right, so let's put on our jackets, then we are good for church. Okay, so we are ready to put on our jacket. So, yes, let's put it on. Yeah. So, this is how it looks. And how about my shoes? How do we look? Okay, and my black handbag. Sorry, it's not here for me to show you. It's actually a little bit far. Okay, so This is how I look. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the full video. Okay, so let's go to church together. I forgot to show you that I have to spray my perf and my watch. Okay, so let me put on my watch. And let's do the spray. Ooh. Ooh. Alright guys, so how do I look? I'm going to put in on my shoes, then I'm going to go. So this is how I look from up, from down to the up part of me. So how do I look? And this is how the gown is and my jacket. Kimolu, yes, that's the name. I was trying to remember the name, how to call this gown, this jacket. Kimolu, that is my Kimolu. Yes, how do I look? Okay, so let's go to church together. So see you in church. Okay, so we are going. I am off to church. Okay. How do I look? So we are just done from church. This is me walking towards my car. Let me come out walk. Looking up to where I parked. The car. Church has been so amazing. So I'm walking towards my car. Ooh, so much water here. Okay, so we are driving home. Church was amazing, as I said. Okay, so join us as we go home. So after church today, this is where I found myself. You need to see it by yourself.
Come a little closer, I can feel it tonight. I don't need 1,000 words, I can see it in your eyes. Every little moment with you feels like something I can't hide. When you hold me, I feel safe. When you smile, tomorrow. closer. I can feel it tonight. I don't need 1,000 words. I can see it in your eyes. Every little moment with you feels like something I can't hide. When you hold me, I feel safe. When you smile, I lose my way. Baby, there's a kind of magic that I don't wanna explain, and I don't wanna rush it. I just wanna feel it. Let the music take us where our hearts can lead us. Come a little closer to me. Let your heartbeat dance with mine. We don't need to stay forever. We can live inside a night. You bring out the best in me. You make everything feel right. Come a little closer to me. Stay with me tonight. I was waiting for a feeling that could make my whole world shine. Then you walked into my moment and somehow changed my mind. Now I'm laughing for no reason. Got your picture in my head. Every little thing you do keeps me wanting you instead. No pressure, no promises, just you and me right here. Let the rhythm move between us. Let it take away the fear. Ooh, I don't need tomorrow. I just need this moment true. Come a little closer to me. Let your heartbeat dance with mine. We don't need to stay forever. We can live inside a night. You bring out the best in me. You make everything feel right. Come a little closer to me. Stay with me tonight. Don't go. Stay a little longer. It's like this. Come a little closer. I can feel it tonight. I don't need 1,000 words. I can see it in your eyes. Every little moment with you feels like something I can't hide. When you hold me, I feel safe. When you smile, I lose my way. Baby, there's a kind of magic that I don't wanna explain, and I don't wanna rush it. I just wanna feel it. Let the music take us where our hearts can lead us. Come a little closer to me. Let your heartbeat dance with mine. We don't need to stay forever. We can live inside a night. You bring out the best in me. You make everything feel right. Come a little closer to me. Stay with me tonight. I was waiting for a feeling that could make my whole world shine. Then you walked into my moment and somehow changed my mind. Now I'm laughing for no reason. Got your picture in my head. Every little thing you do keeps me wanting you instead. No pressure, no promise. feel it tonight. I don't need 1,000.
Thank you so much. I am done. This is the last stage. So don't forget to do yours. Remember, I used just 3 items: watermelon, pineapple, and banana, and it gave me this. The taste is amazing. So try yours. You don't need too much money to drink a healthy drink. Try yours, and you can come to my comment section to tell me how it tastes. Alright guys, see you, and please subscribe, like, and share this recipe for another person to know that it's just simple and easy to make smoothie and to take smoothie. Happy Sunday, and this is my wonderful Sunday drink. Have a wonderful week ahead.